Hello and welcome again to another awesome lesson with Mr. Jimenez. And so today is a very special day because we're going to be talking about the things that we have been talking about, and that's vertical angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, and so really we're going to move on from the numbers for a little bit and stick to why is this true. Okay, so like we've seen before in this diagram here that I have for you, we know that x and y are vertical angles and they're equal. And so if they're equal, how do we know that they are equal? Okay, and that's going to be our goal today. How do we show that x and y are equal given the only thing that I know is that angles on a line form a 180-degree angle? And so you're going to always make a t-chart just like I have here provided. And on one side, you're going to write the statements. On the other side, you're going to have the reasons. And so the first thing you're always going to write is what is given to you. Notice that number one is what I've given to you. I've laid that out. And so what is the given? Well, the given is that angles on a line add up to 180. That's what I gave you. And your reason? Well, I gave it to you. Okay. Well, the next thing that I can deduce is that x plus d add up to 180. How do I know that? Well, it comes from example 1, from number 1. I know that angles on a line add up to 180. What are the angles that are going to help me to show that x plus y is equal to 180? Next thing that I know, well, I also know that d plus y is also equal to 180. Okay? D plus y is also equal to 180. How does that help me and how do I know that? I know that because angles on a line add up to 180. That's how I know that. Okay, I know this is going to be a little push for us, but we're going to try and conquer this, okay? Well, if x plus d is equal to 180 and d plus y is also equal to 180, well, it makes sense that x plus d is equal to not 180 anymore. Let's replace that 180 because we also see it here. But in this case, 180, in this case right here, 180 is equal to this piece, right? 180 is equal to this piece. So I'm going to say that this is d plus y. And as we can see, two things disappear or eliminate, right? We can see that the d's will cross out because I'm going to subtract minus d, and they will cross out. And in the end, I will get that x is equal to y. Hey, that's exactly what I wanted to prove, okay? This is the vertical angle theorem, okay? This is that theorem. And all this is what we did right here, the reason for this step is we did substitution, right? This is just called substitution. Okay, awesome. We got that out of the way. So now we can use that angles are vertical. Now we've proven that and we can use that. Okay, well, what is the next thing that we spoke about? We also spoke about that uh, angle A, for example, and angle Y. Let's change our goal here. Angle A and angle Y, well, they're going to add up to 180. I'm going to say angle A plus angle Y is equal to 180. Why is that? Why would I be able to say that? That is my goal. That is my goal. How do I know that angle A plus angle Y is equal to 180? Well, first, I know that A is equal to B. Why do I know that? Well, we just did it. We said these are vertical angles. Vertical angles. Okay? I know that. What else do I know? Well, I know that B is equal to C. And how do I know that piece? That is the alternate interior angle theorem, right? This is alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. And so the last thing that I know is that, okay, what is the other thing that I know? Well, I know now that A is equal to C. Okay, and that is simply by the substitution property. I know that is by substitution. Okay, moving on here. Now, step 4, remember our goal is to show that A plus Y is 180. Remember that A plus Y is 100. That's what we're trying to show. Well, if A is equal to C, what do we know about C and Y? Well, we know that C plus Y is equal to 180. Yes, we know this. And this is true because, hey, angles on a line add to 180 degrees. And finally, what does C equal? What is C equal to? Exactly. I knew you would get it, right? Exactly. C right here is equal to A. So let's make that substitution in step 5. That means that A plus Y is 180, and that was our goal. And finally, step 5 was by substitution. Okay, this is an entry to what we're going to be doing tomorrow because we've shown a lot of these things already, okay? Every time that you're asked to prove something, show something is true, you're going to make yourself a T-chart and you're going to put on one side a statement and another side of reasoning, okay? The first thing that you always write is what is the given information. What is the given information? That's your statement. Your reason is always going to be given. The first statement is your given. The first reason is given. Got it? I will see you guys tomorrow.